Lindsay, wake up, it's Hell Week.
What? Sorry, I was just sleeping. I was trying to make sure I had my 8 hours of sleep, so I'm rested and ready to go for Hell Week. I mean, it's 8 days of fun stuff. So hope you guys enjoy Hell Week. It kicks off tomorrow. Take care. Good night. Goodbye.
Hey, it's Coach Matt. Just remember, we got a lot of rowing coming up during Hell Week. So make sure that proper form, get those hands on top of the rower, the thumb underneath. Remember, lots of rowing. So keep in mind, you don't want your hand to end up like this if you're not rowing correctly. We'll see you soon, October 24th through the 31st.
Hey guys, it's Reed and Mr. Skeletor. Trainer tip for Hell Week. Make sure you don't have two different dumbbell weights in your hand. Your body's not gonna love that, and just like Mr. Skeletor, you're gonna end up dropping one.
Hey Lodo, Coach Lindsay here. So Hell Week is coming. This is my trainer tip. So we're gonna have incline. So we're gonna try not to keep our hands on here leaning back, or why I show you bad form. My buddy Freddie here, he's got it under control. So we're not gonna be holding on to the rails. We're not gonna be leaning back. And we're gonna keep our core tight. We're gonna stand upright, arms next to the body, not holding on for dear life, because he lost that game.
Hey everyone, happy Hell Week, Coach Buddy here. Just a reminder, with our Hell Week workouts, it does pick up the intensity just a little bit. Just a little preview. Today's workout, you will be feeling in your quads. Remember that stretching and active recovery is very important. After these workouts, as long as it's warm enough outside, try to get a 30-minute walk in, loosen up so we don't get tight as Hell Week goes on. Also, just a reminder, our theme today is Ghosts of Hell Week's Past, so wear your older Hell Week t-shirts. If you do that today, you can enter your name into the raffle bucket. At the end of Hell Week, we will be raffling off a 1-hour massage. So make sure you get in here, wear your Hell Week gear. We'll see you in.